Adventures in Art. We are on our way to another adventure. We've got Rusty and Isabel. Join us if you'd like. Welcome to Love Adventures in Art, where we like to have fun, have adventures, and be creative. The Matterhorn. Different type of Matterhorn. Downtown is very, very busy.
Great little spot to come shopping for the day. Just hang out and check everything out.
Tons of crystal shops, tons of hotels. Oh, there's a Best Western Plus. That looks like a nice one.
Art galleries, wine tastings. You can do shopping type related stuff. You can do gem and mineral type related stuff all in town. Or you can go out and check out what Sedona has outdoors. There's lots of hiking trails and biking trails out here. There's some four-wheel drive trails out here. There's Oak Creek and of course Slide Rock.
Speaking of sliding,
our dog Rusty is in the back and he's sliding around from all the constant stops and starts. He's having a good time though. He loves his car rides.
Okay, so we got to our destination, exactly where we were in January. This time we've got Isabel with us. Rusty though. And there's the creek. We may have to go down towards the beginning of the picnic area to go down to the creek. That's how we got down last time. I wonder what this leads to. Still watching out for snakes. Saw a couple of lizards. Hmm? Smells good? Careful, this rock is slippery. Yep. Ooh. You want to go in front with Rusty? It's nice they put some it's like little built-in steps, a little bit of logs. Yep. Yeah, I'm glad I brought my tennis shoes. Should have brought socks, but yeah, careful. Grab onto the trees if you need to. Just make sure the tree not gonna break. Yeah, grab onto it. Oof. What? I've got the daddy long legs. Whoop! Slippery. Alrighty, this is what I'm dealing with.
There's a path up right here too.
Why am I holding on to a twig? I don't. Ah! No! That's what I get for trying to hold on to a twig. Alright. Good job, Isabel. Alright. We're down to the bottom. We made it. Ooh, pretty.
He has the advantage because he's got 4-wheel drive.
He does.
4-pod drive. Come on, buddy.
So I talked Neal into coming to Creekside to have a cocktail before we go back and a little bite to eat. So we're gonna have a little appetizer, and we each ordered a blackberry jalapeno margarita. And this is the first time that Rusty has ever been to a restaurant. Rusty, are you being good?
It's being very good. He's a good boy.
You being a good boy, Rusty? Beautiful views. Wow, that was quick. We already got our croissant appetizer. Somebody's a little tired.
Yeah, I'm a little tired.
I'm tired too. I'm probably gonna sleep really good tonight. That hike down and back up was really steep, so yeah.
It wasn't far though. What do you think? They good? They look yummy. Yeah. He's being a good boy. Okay. Let's get some of this. Looks like a sweet cream of some kind.
Good boy, Rusty. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much. What do you think? Really good, huh?
Mm-hmm. They're super buttery. They're super
Crispy.
crispy and flaky. Very airy.
Are you being cute right now? You not being camera shy right now?
Answer as possible.
And we got our margaritas. Oh, we traveled back to Disneyland.
Mm-hmm.
Back to California. Disneyland prices. Disneyland paper straws. Blackberry jalapeno. Cheers. Very good. So, yeah, the croissants and the margaritas are very good. Check this out, guys. There's actually jalapeno in the margarita.
Oh yeah, and chunks of blackberry. If you go through the straw, you get little blackberry nubs.
It's good. Ooh, the church bells. The church bells, babe. Ooh, should we stop at the church?
Well, according to my
5 o'clock?
Well, according to my clock, they're 2 minutes early. It is 4:58.
Oh, interesting. Bum, bum. We got one happy dude. He's like encountered a bunch of new friend dogs today. He got spoiled by these ladies over there. Everybody says he's super handsome and he's being a good boy. First time at a restaurant. Yep, get to play in Oak Creek Canyon. We decided to order the ahi nachos. Okay, look at this. Do it again. This bite. Hey, at least my purse isn't underneath me this time. Now Neal's gonna try the ahi nacho. It's so good. It's like a wonton chip, not like a regular chip.
It has cinnamon on it.
Good, huh?
Pretty good.
Really good. Okay, so we tried to get to the chapel to show you guys, but it's closed. It closes at 5, but look how cool that is. I would like to go up there and show you the inside of it, but can't. So next time. Probably gonna sleep good tonight. Hiking down the canyon, back up, down and up. Now we're hiking to Bell Block. But it's really nice outside now, and the sun is down, so. Yay. Ooh, so pretty. Wow. This is an easy little walk. Right, honey?
Yeah, that's a good spot. It's just a spot.
Like, I have my sandals on.
Yeah. Pretty quick to do a hike.
So cool.
At a high spot now, I'm past a site of civilization-ish, so I got sick. Oh yeah, they got like some marker there, or one of those like rock there. So I bet those just follow these. That's the trail.
Easy. Alright guys, we're back towards the parking lot. And this will be the end of this adventure. I hope you guys liked it.
Officially the end this time.
Yeah, officially the end. Hope you liked it. Let us know by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel for more adventures.
Sorry, the dogs.
And videos on my arts, if you're interested in that as well. Not sure where we're going next, but I think we're going to go to Wilcox next for Carlicia's birthday. 4x4. Sorry, Rusty keeps pulling Neal.
I'm
So
walking a dog, so.
that's it. See you guys on the next one.